We'd like to provide a quick overview of the Jama Connect for Jira integration and show you how you can bring these two important solutions together to link your Jira tasks and defects to Jama Connect requirements and tests to get full transparency, alignment, traceability, and change management throughout the development cycle. Our customers who are building complex products and business-critical software solutions have invested in Jama Connect to ensure requirements are clearly defined, signed off, tested, and integrated throughout their development process to minimize risk, reduce late-stage change, deliver fast, and prove compliance as an output of their development process. Often, Jira is a critical solution in their development process as well, making the Jama Connect for Jira integration one of our most widely used integrations. For our customers using the integration, Jama Connect serves as their system of record for requirements and test cases, allowing product teams to maintain critical information about their product requirements throughout the project lifecycle and directly connect them to development activities in Jira, including sprint planning, task management, estimations, and defect and issue tracking. The two-way integration allows teams to use the solution and process best suited to their jobs, offers flexibility to support your agile, scaled agile, or hybrid development process, keeps data in sync to ensure the accuracy and quality of their work as well as the transparency across the entire lifecycle. Through the integration, product and engineering teams can connect product planning to execution to ensure everyone is working off the most current requirements and stakeholders are engaged and aligned. Enable collaboration and formal reviews to track requirements-related discussions and critical decisions across teams and geographies. Gain real-time access to requirement status and progress, and support a formal change management process across the development lifecycle. Produce end-to-end traceability, from high-level requirements to tasks, tests, and defects to ensure requirements are fully satisfied. Prove compliance as an output of their existing process. Access reporting and project volatility analysis. Jira users get direct visibility into the requirements and how their work fits into the broader development process. They also get real-time access to changes that may occur to requirements to ensure accuracy and quality of their work. Let's talk briefly about how this works, and we'll jump into a brief demo. With a bidirectional sync, the items you manage in Jama Connect, such as epics, features, or defects, can be shared with Jira to give your development teams immediate visibility into the information needed to stay continuously aligned with the product team. Simultaneously, development status, prioritization, and defects are continuously relayed back to Jama Connect, providing visibility into completion of work and progress surrounding a release deadline. In addition, valuable information such as relationships, comments, and HTML formatting are bidirectionally transferred as well. This allows development teams to get clear insight into not only what they are working on, but why. It also gives teams confidence that no details are lost. With more transparency, teams can accelerate development cycles while staying aligned to customer expectations. Let's jump into Jama Connect to show you the integration in action. Let's take a closer look at this process. In this example Agile project, we've leveraged Jama to capture everything from our strategic objectives down to our defects. We've intelligently mapped them together through traceability and collaboration, allowing teams to quickly respond to change and have clear visibility into where there is still work to be done. Through the integration, we can sync our epics, stories, and defect priority and description set by our product team. As an example, let's create a new downstream story from the current epic we are now working on. Now at the story level, our product team can prioritize as needed. As I change the priority of our new story, you can see that we have a direct URL to the mirrored item in Jira. This allows you to move easily between environments. Now in Jira, we can see that the uploaded priority has come across as expected. We can also see that the relationship to the upstream epic has automatically come across, as well as any existing conversations. Because we're syncing back our sprint assignment as well as our development status, we can update our current status in Jira, and now back in Jama, we can see that the story status has been updated. Switching over to the project dashboard, we can now gather a lot of valuable analytics on the status of our project because of the information being shared through the integration. Here we are able to see an overview status of all of the development tasks for an upcoming release. Further, using Jama's rollup field, we can gather a clear view into the completeness of our epics based on the related story's Jira status. Thanks for watching. For more information on the Jama Connect for Jira integration, please visit us at jamasoftware.com or contact your account manager.